Well, there is an old saying that many hands make for light work, and I can't think of a better example than the number of volunteers that have turned up to help with a stream restoration project. Well, the many hands analogy aside, the bottom line is that it's a back-breaking process at an individual level when it comes to this kind of restoration work.
Oh, it's fun. You mean important? It's because we need to look after the environment. We need to keep it as diverse as possible and healthy. And I don't know, it just feels right to give back after coming out and hiking and enjoying. And I want it to be good and healthy for my kids who are down there helping, so yeah.
This is 4 Mile Creek, and it's located within the Ghost Watershed. Just how was it selected to receive all this attention?
So we began working with the Foothill Stream Crossing Partnership. We were looking for partners who were willing to work with us in identifying remediation projects in backcountry, because that's where the majority of our members spend all their time. And through our existing relationship with other partners such as Trout Unlimited as well as the Ghost Watershed Alliance, it was just a natural fit. So all 3 organizations came together and said, yeah, this is a project worth doing for today.
So the willows, they're dormant when they're cut, and we're going to plant them mostly underground, a little bit above ground, and they're going to start sending out roots and shoots over the summer. And the roots will help to decompact the soil a little bit and really stabilize the soil and prevent some of that erosion. And it's also going to catch material that runs down the former trail and also help prevent further sedimentation into the creek. So for example, this area that we're in is a public land use zone. So there's a designated trail system, and it's really important that off-highway vehicle users stay on those designated trails. This part is not within the designated trail system, and it's really important for OHV users to respect those signs and the maps that are out published, telling people where to go and where not to go.
And it's a message not just directed at off-highway vehicle users, but all of us who use the backcountry.
It is maybe not as much known to people that do target shooting out here that you need to clean up after yourselves, because a lot of what we call those clay pigeons that are scattered throughout this area here today as well, they are not clay anymore. They are plastic resin. And those will sooner or later get into the water, and we don't want it there. So that is a new issue that we have faced over the last probably 5 years.
I take the optimistic perspective. So even though, there is a fair amount of remediation has to be done, it has to start somewhere. So initiatives such as this show that we can all work together and start reclaiming the wilderness that we all depend on.
In just a few hours and a lot of hard work, the transformation of this area is dramatic. Going forward, let's hope our attitude towards these wild places can be as transformative.